What's up everyone? This is JP from Oracle Lighting. Today we're going to show you how to install the Oracle pre-runner LED lights. These bright amber LEDs combine for a total of 9 watts and can be seen vividly even during the day. This is a somewhat universal product, but today we're going to show you how to install it on the Jeep Wrangler JL and Gladiator specifically. There's no cutting, no drilling, and the kit includes everything you need to install the lights, wire them up, and connect them to the factory vehicle electric system. Let's go ahead and get started.
We'll start by opening the hood and removing the grille. Use a panel tool or flathead to remove the retainer clips across the top and firmly pull the bottom outward on each side. Insert each of the 3 bolt lights into the grille mesh as shown. With the grille flipped over, thread the nuts onto each bolt light to secure them in place. Group your cables together at the center and crimp the red wires and the black wires together using the 2 supplied butt connectors. Crimp the included red and black cable to your newly made junction and we're wired up and ready to go. We'll need to pull the fender liner back slightly to access the park light harness. First, remove these 3 outer fasteners. Next, we'll unbolt these 2 8mm bolts and 1 10mm bolt. Pull the liner back and untwist the DRL park bulb socket. We'll be getting power from this later. Let's bring the grille back to the Jeep. Route the cable through the core support and around the passenger headlight. Split the red and black wire and run the red wire into the fender cavity. From here, we can re-secure the grille and continue with connecting our positive and negative wires. Route the black wire along the passenger fender to the ground post and remove the 10mm bolt. Attach the black wire to the post using the supplied ring terminal, then secure the 10mm bolt. Attach the supplied T-tap to the white with brown striped wire. You may need pliers to snap the connector in fully. Next, plug the red wire into the T-tap and put the bulb socket back into place. Turn the headlight switch to park mode and test. Reassemble the fender liner in reverse order and we're all done. As you can see, these are very bright even in daylight and are a very simple way to give your Jeep a pre-runner style touch. Thanks for watching and be sure to visit oraclelights.com for more info and our latest install guides.